change the muscle, you change the position of the joint. Muscles hold the joint in the proper position, so then we fix the problem. The pain is gone. Perfect posture is the key to fixing the origin of the problem. In this case, with knock knees or bowed legs, it's because of a muscle-skeletal imbalance that somebody is feeling pain. Right here in this figure, the joint is wearing even because the muscles are holding the joint and stabilizing the joint in the proper position. So the meniscus and cartilage is wearing even. These knees will last a long time. Their feet are lined up. In this position right here, their knees come together with knock knees. They have ligaments and tendons being pulled on the medial side. They might have some inflammation. But the meniscus and cartilage is wearing on the lateral side very quickly because of the position of the joint. Okay? This is why everybody's going in and having surgery, because of the position of their knee. So all you need to do is build and stretch the right muscle, and you can line up these joints absolutely perfect, and you fix the problem. This is over here, this is bowed legs. That's the opposite problem. You don't see that very often. But all you got to do is know what to do, what exercise to do to build and line up and stabilize the joint, and you fix the problem. So it's your choice what you want to do.
By building and stretching specific muscle groups, the joints line up gradually for perfect posture, a balanced body over time, all done naturally.